Hey guys, this is Paul from HeadlightExperts.com. You can find us at www.headlightexperts.com for all your automotive lighting needs. Today we're going to go over ballast input polarity. So here we have our standard HID kit. Now, all our HID kits are pretty much going to be the same looking here. You'll have your ballast. This is your ballast input. This is your HID bulb. Now, this is where you're going to unplug your halogen bulb, and then whatever plug you unplugged, you're going to plug that into here. You'll notice that there's a tab on top, and if you just line it up and you just plug it right in, some customers are experiencing that the light is not working. That's because most vehicles nowadays that come with halogen bulbs, manufacturers know that halogen bulbs are not polarity sensitive, but your HID bulb is. So in your car stock from factory, it doesn't matter what side positive or negative is on, your halogen bulb is going to work no matter what. So if you plug it in and you test the light and it doesn't work, chances are you're going to need to just rotate the plug. Now, we don't recommend rotating at this plug. We recommend rotating at the ballast input. So here you're going to unplug it. You'll see that it's clearly labeled positive, negative here. So you're just going to want to do the exact opposite of that. So if you flip it over, plug it back in, and it locks in. It locks in pretty good. I mean, if you feel that it's not in there strong enough for you, we have a more advanced procedure that you could do. I have a small flat blade tool here, a pin release tool. You can take this, basically it holds the wire in from backing out. So you can see inside here there's little tiny release tabs. You just push them and then it'll allow you to pull the cable out. So before you fully pull this out and forget where everything is positioned, note that the clip is on the bottom side or the top side, whichever side it's on. You're going to want to just do the exact opposite. So I'm simply just rotating this plug and sliding it back in. And if you notice that it doesn't click back in, slide it back out, and you'll see these tiny little detents. You could just push them up. So when you slide it back in, they lock back in. If you lose your positioning and where these go and they start rotating, the clips face each other towards the inside. So remember, same position, opposite to what I originally had. My clip is now on top, it was on the bottom. So just remember, you do the opposite. Because your whole goal here is to reverse the polarity at the ballast input, not at the light connector. So I hear my 2 clicks. I put this piece back on, click it back on, and I'm back. I can use the clip on top now, and my polarity is reversed, and my light will work perfectly fine now. That concludes our ballast input polarity switch, and also our advanced pin swapping procedure as well. Thanks a lot and have a good day.